Is 7-Zip refusing to extract your files, or are you getting errors every time you click extract? Yeah, this is usually caused by a damaged archive, missing parts, permissions, or a simple storage issue. In this tutorial, I'll show you the most useful fixes, step by step, so let's get started. First, try the extraction one more time. Right-click your archive, open the 7-Zip menu, and choose Extract here or Extract to a new folder. Using a separate folder is a good idea because it keeps the recovered files organized. Next, check your available disk space. An archive can be much smaller than the files inside it, so extraction may require significantly more storage than the archive itself. Open File Explorer, check the destination drive, and make sure there's enough free space. If there's enough space but extraction still fails, try a different location. Create a simple folder directly on your drive, such as a recovery folder, and extract the archive there. This can also avoid permission problems with protected folders. Now test the archive itself. Open 7-Zip File Manager, select the archive, and use the test option. 7-Zip can report problems such as CRC errors or data errors. If the test shows errors, the archive itself may be damaged. Another common problem is a split archive. Look in the folder for multiple parts, such as a zip file followed by numbered files like .001 and .002. Make sure every required part is present in the same folder and has its original file name. If the archive is damaged, get a fresh copy whenever possible. If you downloaded it, download it again from the original trusted source. If someone sent you the archive, ask them to send it again. A damaged transfer can cause extraction errors even when the original archive was fine. If 7-Zip can open the archive and show its contents, try extracting individual files instead of everything at once. Some files may still be readable even when another file inside the archive is damaged, so recover the important files first. Finally, make sure you're using a current version of 7-Zip. If the problem continues across different archives, reinstall 7-Zip using the official installer. This helps rule out a problem with the application itself. And that's how to troubleshoot 7-Zip when files won't extract. Check your storage, try another destination, test the archive, verify all split parts, and get a fresh copy if the archive is damaged. If only one archive fails, the archive is probably the problem. If everything fails, focus on your 7-Zip installation.